On Tuesday, 8th November, we will announce this year's winner of the Soane Medal. Our medalist will give a lecture, and wherever you are in the world, you can join us via livestream. It's free to attend. Just register via our website, soane.org.
The purpose of the medal is to honor architects or people in the world of architecture, historians or theorists, who have dedicated themselves to the wider culture of architecture.
Housing, or the woeful shortage of decent, affordable homes that has made so many people homeless, is a major problem of our time. The 2022 recipient of the Soane Medal has devoted his working life to resolving this crisis with dedication, ingenuity and aplomb. He's reinvented historic typologies of working-class British housing, from back-to-back terraces and tenements to almshouses, yards and ginnels. All of his work is motivated by his determination to help people to live safely, comfortably, productively and with dignity, making him a very, very worthy Soane Medalist.